the Aam Aadmi's position on crucial issues of national importance is under the scanner. I did an interview with Prashant Bhushan where he made some comments about there being a referendum to decide on army deployment in the hinterlands of Kashmir. That came in for a lot of criticism from the BJP, from the National Conference, from the Congress party also. The charge leveled by these parties is that the Aam Aadmi party is a bunch of civil rights activists who have no idea how to handle sensitive issues of national security.
I think if they said that these are a bunch of people who came from various movements, from various directions, often very conflicting directions, who have come together, it would actually be a very fair charge. Yes, we are people who come from very diverse background, diverse engagements, very different, sometimes conflicting, sometimes overlapping convictions. And yes, it would take time for us to be able to evolve a platform where we all stand at least united on some key practical steps to be taken. You know, those days when you expected a political party to come up with a vision for the next 100 years and be together, I think those days are over. That died with the 20th century, and thank God it did so. With the 21st century, I personally think that the best way for parties to move forward is to stop pretending that all of us think alike on every single question. The important thing is that for those steps which we need to take collectively as a party, as a government, for those next 10 steps, we should agree.